Tarotist Maggie Norton, and today I'd like to bring you the tarot card of the week. I've already shuffled the cards, so speed up the process. What we have this week is the Two of Cups. So here at the Two of Cups, I want to look at two things this week. One, this is typically known as the romantic love card, which is fabulous if you're in a relationship, looking for a relationship, or just want to experience the feeling of being in love. Sometimes falling in love. All those things are just potential things for the Two of Cups. But really what it's about is it's about sharing yourself emotionally, realizing that our heart space is able to share love with other people. Okay, and these are one-on-one connections that we make, that we can share our emotions, we can share our heart space, we can share this feeling center with other people. In doing so, we grow, we expand, we realize that we're part of something bigger. It's what draws us to that idea of romantic love, is that we are part of a bigger picture. We first feel that on an emotional level or an intuitive level, and then we can go from there. The other side of the Two of Cups that I'd like to address is emotional balance. There are many of us that are not in a relationship or not even looking for one. However, the Two of Cups will symbolize, okay, how do we get back to a balance on an emotional level so we feel like we're on even keel and we're not being thrown one way to the emotional side and then thrown the other way. It's how do we stay in that emotional calm, that emotional peace, that stability, that balance point. Okay, that is the beautiful aspect of the Two of Cups, when we find that emotional balance. So this week, use the Two of Cups to open up your heart center to feel where it's at to begin with. Are you balanced? Are you unbalanced? How are you ready to move into life and to share with other people in your heart center? So first, balance in the heart center, and then be willing to share that heart space with other people. If you are in a romantic love relationship or partnership, this is just a wonderful time to really give that some nourishment, some attention, to really just come and be with that, okay? If you're not and you're looking, thumbs up, enjoy. Could be some prospects out there. So either way, however we want to use this card, make it fun this week. Pay attention to how you feel. Just be honest with it and really focus on pulling into that place of balance. Okay? Enjoy your week. Enjoy the tarot card of the week. Don't forget to check out the tarot card of the day, Monday through Friday on Facebook. And until then, have fun.